I'm Lindsay. I started Little Hiccups in 2009 after having my own son with profound disabilities. It was a very, very tough, scary journey. I found it really, really lonely and totally out of my comfort zone, and there really wasn't a great deal of support around at that point. Who would have thought 16 years later we're supporting over 1,200 families across the region. We offer a range of services from stay and play, family fun days, counselling, outreach, hydrotherapy, physiotherapy. We loan out equipment to try and make life a little bit easier. We'll basically do anything that we can to help support other families. For us, it's about providing the opportunities to have fun, learn, play, and lead the best lives possible. We support the whole family, celebrating our amazing children and helping to make those memories that will last forever.